TV personality Minnie Dlamini and husband Quinton Jones are parting ways after 4 years of marriage. They have a young son together. The couple tied the knot in 2017 and shared their wedding celebration with the country in a 3-part series titled Becoming Mrs. Jones. In an official joint statement posted on social media, the couple said, "In the last 2 years, our family has experienced incredible joy and devastating loss. During this time, we found comfort in knowing we had each other. Despite our best efforts to absorb the changes in motion, the emotional burden, and the post-traumatic distress of our individual loss outweighed our will. After months of separation and consultation with our family and a counselor, we have taken the decision to officially file for divorce." Minnie captioned the statement on Instagram, "We remain friends, business partners, and loving parents to our son. Both have requested privacy during this difficult time." Please remember to click the like button. Leave a comment with your thoughts in the comment section below. Again, hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss future videos. We will see you in the next video.